not against AI as a thing, you know, as a concept, but when people are using it to replace their own voice, then it's really a problem. And it's a lot of the reason that people are getting bored of LinkedIn and most social media platforms, because it's just AI and it all sounds the same. So to me, making marketing human is about making sure that your stories, your voice and your personality are actually coming across, and that you're doing it in a really genuine way that actually connects with the clients that are right for you. So rather than it being about who can I sell to, who can I get, it's more about like, I'll put out who I am online, and that attracts the right people, and it also repels people, which is scary but really, really needed.